Hello guys, Shopify versus Wix choosing the right e-commerce platform for your businesses. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be comparing two popular e-commerce platforms Shopify and Wix. After conducting extensive research and testing both platforms, I ultimately chose Shopify for my e-commerce business. In this video, I will share the reason behind my decision and the key factor you should consider when making your choice. Please note this video is not sponsored by either company. I am simply sharing my personal opinion and experiences. However, if you are interested in trying Shopify, I have including a link in the description offering a deal of $1 per month for the first 3 months, which is not available directly on their website. Let's dive in. The main difference between Shopify and Wix lie on the origins. Shopify was designed specifically for e-commerce, whereas Wix started as a content-based website builder and later added e-commerce feature. Shopify is an excellent option for beginners or those seamlessly with more than 100 theme and template. Designing your store is straightforward with Shopify and a native drag and drop store builder. Additionally, all plans including 24/7 customer support, making the setup process as smooth as possible. Wix, on the other hand, offer a plan across four categories: website, business, e-commerce, and enterprises. If you are running an online store, you will need to choose from the business and e-commerce plan to enable online payment. Wix allow up to 50,000 product, more than sufficient for the most businesses, but lacks unlimited product option. Wix provider offer a 800 template, a drag and drop editor, and a custom domain name for free for 1 year. However, editing Wix template can make website less optimized for smartphone, meaning you will need to a separate mobile site. Shopify in contrast automatically optimizes its template for mobile devices and create redirect link for move page, making it a more SEO friendly. Shopify also support US SEO integration for advanced insight, while Wix offer SEO tool like SEO Viz and SEO dashboard and integration with Smartest for keyword research. When it comes to transaction fees and payment gateway, Shopify offers Shopify payment and Wix offer Wix payment. Using these built-in gateway avoid transaction fees, but third-party gateway on Shopify can incur up to 5% fee on depending on your plan. Wix allow free third-party payment but only in USD and lack multi-currency checkout option, whereas Shopify support multi-currency checkout by its Shopify Market app. Tax calculation is another critical aspect. Shopify automatically calculate tax for user across all plans, while Wix offer automatic tax calculation through a third-party app to called Avalera. This feature is limited to certain plans with caps on the number of calculations per month. Shopify also offer a physical point of sale POS system for all plans except the starter plan, enabling real-time inventory update through card reader connecting to mobile devices. Wix POS feature introduced recently is only available to select users in the US and Canada. Pricing is another key consideration. Wix offer a free plan, but its functionality is limited for e-commerce purpose. Shopify does not have a free plan but offer a 3-day free trial and a discounting introductory package of $3 for 90 days. Once the trial and Shopify main plan including the basic plan at $19 per month, the standard plan at $49 per month, and the advanced plan at $299 per month. You can switch between plan as your business grow and receive a 25% discount for annual payment. That's a wrap for today's video. If you found this information useful, please like the video and subscribe for more content. If you have any question, feel free to leave them in a comment. And remember, if you decide to try Shopify, use the link in the description for an exclusive $1 month deal for 90 days. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.